introducing our host for today, Mr. J.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hi. Did you see our group of pigeons? Did you know that pigeons were used as messengers to carry out messages to our friends, families, and loved ones? Now, ladies and gentlemen, please relax and enjoy as our fun friends are going to show us our amazing tricks, awesome stunts, guest participation, and important invitation. Miss Debbie to welcome our Willenburg named Amigo. Now, Amigo originates from South America and he inhabits the rainforests of Brazil. He is very responsible bird and he loves to see his environment clean. Now, we have here some muchachas and Amigo is going to show us how to clean this mess. So first, to pick up the can, he will pull away and drop it inside. Good bird. Next, buddy, you pick up the plastic cap and drop it inside. Good bird. Let's do it. He pick up the crumpled paper and he opened the bin and drop it inside. See, if the bird can do it, why can't we? Right? Always remember to put your trash in the trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to godliness. What is it, buddy? Welcome to Cebu Safari's Virtual. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying boss. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaws named Hardy, Tony, Matt, Kyle, and Carl. And macaws are very adaptive, meaning when they're surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. And for their diets, they love to eat varieties of fruits, seeds, and vegetables. And blue and gold macaws rank as the third largest parrot species globally, following highest neck and the green macaw. No fighting, guys. Now, guys, do you want to stay with me here? Or you want to go inside and get more food now? One everyone, say Jumbo! Somebody, there. So here's our green wing macaw named Jumbo. Nobody, can you see the back? Hi. Now everyone, can you wave back to Jumbo? Say hello. Hi everyone. So macaws have very long tail and feathers that it can reach up to 3 feet from head to tail, with a tail of 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you show everybody? More. This one. Good. And as you can see, most of their color is outside of their body and less color is under their wings. Now Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings? Everyone, say wings. So macaws being zygobacterous, meaning they have 2 toes that point forward and 2 toes that point backward. So they use their feet to hold on things and climb. Now Ms. Debbie here is the grandma. She will place it into the plastic basket and let's see how Jumbo gets his reward. So the one we carefully from the plastic basket and get his reward. Now we're using the reward system to recompense the intelligence and effort of our bird. And as what I have mentioned earlier, the Jumbo is very special and intelligent bird. Do you want to know why? Well, that's because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we are prepared 2 sets of tests for Jumbo. So we will be having the story test first. So we are here for animal pictures. The horse, the snake, the camel, and the zebra. What would you choose? Just choose one animal picture. Love everyone. Alright, we get some camel, so let's have camel with Mr. Irving. Alright, so going to preparing for the Jumbo lovers. So we have a short interview with Miss Debbie about Jumbo. Hi Miss Debbie, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Let's get to you, Miss Debbie. Now this is for the first question about Jumbo. Where did Jumbo originally came from?